Go watch the ball.
Ready?
Ready, you gotta hit it.
Watch Dad. Watch him throw.
Got that.
You're right-handed.
There you go. Watch the ball, Ty.
Look at Daddy.
There you go. Ready?
Almost.
He was so close.
Here comes another ball.
Here it comes.
Get ready. Put your bat back.
You put it back, right here. Right here.
Hold it back.
He's gonna get a little step out.
Here, come on.
There
There you go.
There you
Hands
go.
up. There you go.
Right
Hands on there.
there.
All right, ready?
You ready?
Batter.
What are
Oh, too slow.
I gotta go real fast.
Woo! Yay!
So excited.
Like that, we are gonna play golf.
Yeah.